In this video, we will learn how to enhance our conversation by reading books. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Nancy Convo. Our topic is asking the time, second, conversation. If you have not watched the previous video and then you watch this video, then it will be more crystal clear to understand. Conversation A, first person. Here S1 denotes for first person and S2 denotes for second person. Let us start. First person. What time is it now? Second person. I don't have my watch on right now. First person. Is there a clock around here? Second person. That's one in the next room. Conversation B. First person. Do you have right time? Second person. I was just going to ask you the same question. First person. My watch has stopped. Second person. I got to wear mine. Conversation C. First person. Do you have any idea of the time? Second person. I don't know exactly, but it's after 9. First person. It was 9 o'clock when I got here. Second person. Well, I'm sorry, I can't help you. Conversation D. First person. At what time is the meeting? Second person. 8 o'clock. First person. Be there at 8 o'clock sharp then. Second person. I will try to get there before 8. Conversation E. First person. How often does this station give the news? Second person. Every hour on the hour. First person. When do they announce the weather? Second person. 10 minutes to and 10 minutes after the hour. If you want to learn basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana. And also you can follow me on Instagram. In description, the link is given below. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe so that we come up with more boosting information. Till then, take care and bye.